I've utilized the common 3-point lighting setup and tweaked it for my needs. I have a soft box upwards and off to the side of me, a non-diffused hair light shining down on me, and some background that also acts as a fill light off to the side of me, behind me, etc, etc. For live video calls, it was very much the same setup, but tweaked a little bit. I had a large key off to one side, a hair light, and a nice background lighting that all kind of meshed together to give this warm cottage-like atmosphere. My key light here is on a regular stand, though when I'm filming at the desk I have it on a crane stand, much like what I'm using for the hair light, so it can reach over without me having to worry about the legs getting in the way. I needed more room for my set pieces, so I mounted the stand with zip ties to a board and then just screwed that to the bookshelf. So when extended, the legs would have come out and I was kept tripping and whacking my head into the light, and so now it's a bit out of the way. It's much more manageable now. So you can see it behind my head.